he kan en tur video hi Jun ni som khan social media lama chuan upload ni in he video hi Malaysia lampang news a chuan nasa takapuan zar ni in a viral nasa hle ni he video upload tu te hi Malaysia thingtlang mun pakhata cheng ni in an chen na tanga khotnai berpo hi KM sumni vel zeta hla ania he video upload tu te chung kwa hian an chen na in polama chuan thom rap zet mai hi an hrefau maya chu thom rap zet mai chuan a zan tel mai chuan aron nei deuh maya zan khat chu in nei tu te tui takan mutlai chuan pon lama an CCTV camera kam chuan he thil hi alo record fu ta ni bang phena tang hian tunge ti po hret lo mel rap zet mai mengdera mai le samthla nuang mai hian aron bi lai hi alo lang theya in nei tu tela chuan tunge ni tian hret lo thu le mi hring dam lai ani an rin lo thu chu an soimo maya an video title lama po chuan penam pakan ti in anda a chumi zia chu thla in lar ti na niya zantam tak chung thom rap zet mai an lo hret to te kha hemi thil ti hi ani thayangem le he video kan en tur hi caretaker pakhat zana skula duty ina alo record phonia zandanga alo ti to dan thin ang thau chuan night round chu nei in hetian night round ani lai hian a omna hnuai lampang thom dang lam tak mai hi a hreta tlat maya thom zan re to taka lo chuan caretaker po chu ati hlau hle maya masela in ti huai loin a phone chu han phora a thom hriat na lampang chu fin fia ngai tum chuan a che chuak ta ni Thil dum che phei zok lai kha ilo mu manem khatia caretakerin hallway le chevel thala ko lai khan thil dum enge ni ti po hret lo hi chak zet mai hian screen vei lampang atanga ding lampang pan zong hian aron thlok phaya a thil mu na lampang chu rang tak chuan afa pan ngala mak deuh main kha thil dum che phei kha mu tu reng alo to mi lovani kha thil dum chak zet maya ron thlok phei kha in ti der na satlia mai chu ani lo ti a chianga he caretaker tan hi chuan a zan le a duty chu a chak to hau lawang le Montevideo Uruguay muna cheng deri hian video danglam tak mai thin thong dot thei thil hi aron posa deri le anu hi zan khat chu inan dun lai hian an chen na in pon lama chuan kal thom ni tak thom danglam tak mai hi an hreta tlat maya atir chuan ran lampang emo mi tuai mo kal thom ni mai tura chuan an han ngaya mase an han ngai thla chiang dawa chu thom chu an chen na in chung nge ya tanga ron chu kani ti chu an hreta tlat maya an home security system te chu an han check ngala an in chung lan theina an han en chu an thil mu chuan ambara khai chiang kher mai
Supuestamente acá tiene que haber algo. ¿Hay algo? Claro, pero ahí no sale, ¿no?
Tendrías que apuntar desde techo a techo, enfrente de él.
Claro, porque ahí no sale. Literal es como si estuviera ahí.
Camera feed atanga alanda na tang chuan anin chung zola chuan thil dum pian dum tak mai sang tak mai hi chelo chang lo chuan alo ding reng maya ma se deri le anu khatian vache chu lai khan eng thil ma chu mu thein a tlat lo eng thil ma lo ang mai chuan alang sia chuti rualin mi then khat rin dana chuan mi hring mitina a mu thei si lo camera ina a mu thei si chu eng thil mani tak chu kha in chunga khan a nge ani ti chu an rin dana ni kan mit longina a mu thei si lo eng thil mani thil hlauhawm tak chuan deri te nu fa hi alo thlir ve reng ani thei mai angem le he video danglam tak mai hi chile ram chung khoi molaya ran vul na hmuna thil thleng ania ran vul na rents nei tu pa chuan zan rei to taka hian security notification hi a phone a chuan adong not maya an ran vul na get kong khara camera chuan motion notification hi ron pe in a notification an hong chu a thil mu chuan a bar khai ve khop mai an gate pon lama hian mi hring ti hriat tak ma se tu nge ni ti po hriat lo hi aron chip hi lai hi alo lang theia ma se thil makna chu kha pa khan gate kong khar chu hong mi lovin aron pal tlang tamaya mak takani chuta reivak lo nuwa chuan ala tham ral zui le ngal camera glitch satli mai chu ani lo ti achianga errands ne tu pa tan hi chuan ngai thataka mai chu a har to khopang le he video kan en tur hi nu pakhat intifaya USA khosa ina aron phau chuania zan khat chu rental home nei tu te hian an rental home chu tifai tur chuan an ron kawa masila hriat haup lo chu he rental home hi alo rang reng chu ni in an nuwa rental home nei tu pa swedan chuan atir chuan he ina hian ama chuan a cheng ve thina masela phun bulbul thom te kongkhar an mania in khar le throi thin te le amit sira thil dum chele zeu thin lai te hi a muta fau maya hemi wang hian ama po chu om zui ngam lovin mundanga chuan in chu luwa chu in chu hral mai chu uisia rental home atan chuan asiam zui ta ni masela chu in chu luarei thei an tlat lo a then te phei chu zan khat em po lovin chu in atang chuan an tlan chuak thina a in lua tu ten in nei tu pan hrit le dan chuan thom rap thlak tak an hriat thin thu te an hrila heng te ba ka hian an mu hi lai an han har chu thil dum lian tak mai an ma lo din thu te chu an hrit tel boka chutia lua lum lova a le ta ka chuan intifai tu chu tifai tu ra kawania intifai tu chuan ati fai pa chuan in chung chu thla chu lakwal pa a heta hian thil dang lam zek mai hi alo record fu tani.
Esta casa se ha limpiado muchísimas veces porque la gente no dura rentando. Rompe el contrato por una u otra cosa y tuvimos que venirla a limpiar el día de hoy porque ya mañana se van a mover. Se las quiero enseñar. Lo raro es que dice el realtor que no dura la gente. Esta casa se ha limpiado muchísimas veces porque rompe el contrato a la gente. Ay, no mames. Ya es noche. Estoy sola. Chingados estoy. No hay nada. Esta pinche casa la han rentado un chingo de veces. Y no sé por qué rompe el contrato la gente. Ay, no. Déjenme regresar, sí, porque...
Khatia inati failai khan rung kong khar pakhat chu ama hian aron cheringot maya ama lo midang tu ma an si lova mak chu ati ve hle ni he video hi social media lama upload nu chuan he video lo clear tu mit var fal do te chuan thil dang lam tak mai he cleaner ina a mu si lo hi an lo mu chuak vele tlat mai boka.
Iba a dejar grabando, pero la neta ya me está dando cosa. Se escucha el ruido para acá. No sé qué sea. Escuché mucho ruido. Yo creo que me voy a tener que ir. Tengo que ir a apagar la luz de ella porque se está poniendo ya. Ay, no. Creo que me voy a regresar mañana mejor. Yo me voy a la chica. Esta pinche luz, la de acá la tengo que apagar.
Thom dang lam do hiron omin room cleaner chuan chu room thim lampang chu avapan phaya heta hian thil dang lam tak a mu si lo chu alo record fuwa brightness te an pek do chuan tui moni eng thil moni hian he room tify tu hi thim zinga tanga aron en lai hi alo lang theya ma se van nei thlak takin he cleaner hian amhulo hlovani amhulo chungpo hian a hlau to hle ni ti a dana tang khan a chiang reng maya anhuwa mi ten an han rile phei chu a hlau na hi ati zul hle ni zan lama mi intifain a che chuk le ngamangem le. Ghost theory te hian mun fal taka in pakhat rang ti yan soi mun hi an tlowa in ruak toy ti lo chuan mi then khat sui dana chuan ei in ruaka hian mi an che kol lai an mu fau thina engama chen chung chu luwa lum lovin to ma se chu in chu luwa lum tu la ang mai chuan ala hnumin ala fai hle maya mu thei si lo eng thil mani chuan ala luwa hnum ani mai theiani. Ghost theory te chuan chhun lama chuan hei in hi tlom ma sa in an man ruwa te chu an kam fela ti chuan zan lama chuan investigation pui tak chu an nei chun zom ta ni.
Is there anyone here that can hear us, who can make contact?
I swear I just heard music. What is that noise? Hang on. Is that the fridge?
I can't hear anything.
The world's loudest fridge.
Okay. It's the humming still. It's
No, there's... Sounds like a fucking drill.
It's like water, isn't it?
No.
Is that not like there's water pouring? What the fuck is that? I can't tell if that's in there or downstairs. Well, we need to look either way, whatever we're doing.
On camera. That was not on when I went upstairs.
In chunga radio chu amma chuan aron nungringot maya aron nun theina chan om ang chu an hrebok si lova mak chu an ti dun hle ni ta hian an camera cam chu hrechuakin an camera cam chu an han cheka.
That camera's got that whole room in shot. And this. Sort of.
Yeah.
Like, how do we walk up and turn that on without being on camera? How does anyone walk up to that to turn it on without being on camera? It's impossible. Like, I'm absolutely obviously not saying that someone's here and turned that on. But
you never know either.
we need to see on camera that actually turning itself on, because at least we can rule out whatever.
I know that there's probably a logical explanation for that. Maybe. But that is shit scary.
We weren't even up there for very long. There it goes. That's literally just turned on. We were up there for a couple of minutes.
Seriously?
Yeah. We would have literally been upstairs for about 6 or 7 minutes. Well, we were upstairs for 9 minutes, I guess. It only takes a couple of seconds to just get up the stairs. I'm just showing this on this camera so you can see it unedited. There it goes. It's like someone literally presses a button on it, and it just clicks and turns on. Okay, there's being on a timer.
You can't do that, can you? Can you do that?
An thil hmu le hriat te chuan Jo le Ali ghost theory te chu ati Hlauhawm ve hle maya ti chuan a room danga chuan in sonin investigation chu an la nei chun zom zela.
This is one of those ones again where you call out, nothing happens, and
Ooh! Ooh! Wow! That's funky!
oh, I felt that.
Oh, wow!
Did that hurt?
It still is.
Oh,
That's mind-boggling. What twat makes an invisible coffee table? It literally, the books of... Cough, you bastard!
what?
Was an Argentine band formed by Louis.
Just go away! I'm just... wow.
I was already shot to bits.
That really hurts, but okay, good.
Now with a freshly broken leg, Joe began asking questions, eager to see if a response would come.
Is there someone here? We're both very confused about this house. There's rumours that it's haunted. We've been told that it's potentially haunted, even shown proof. Is there a shadow man in this house? I fucking hate this place. I don't like that. What? That is footsteps on the fucking wooden floor.
Cho chuan zo na te chu zo tin hei ina hian tunge ti chuan zo na te chuan siama a zo na chana ni tak chuan bang te chu ron ri a Jo le Ali chuan atir chuan an mani ni lo midang hei ina hian aruka ve an omani chuan ring dawa ma se la tu mala chu mu tur an chung reng si lova ti chuan investigation chu nei chho zelin thil dang an la tong le cheu mai.
The last time I mentioned a shadow figure, we had what sounds like walking. Can you do that again? Are you the shadow man that we've been hearing and someone else has seen? Oh, yes, it is.
Joe le ali ghost theory te chuan zo na rang te chu zotin chan na engemoni chu andong ve zela laudeu tak chung si ma se hlotling in ti tak chung si chuan e investigation an nei da hi anti top zui ta ni.